Emergency services were called to deal with the several incidents, including fallen trees and power lines. Many residents reported damage to their homes and businesses as a result of the storm. Tel Aviv, Israel, has been hit by a powerful hailstorm, bringing heavy rain and strong winds over the city. The storm, which began on Monday evening, caused widespread flooding and disrupted traffic across the city. The storm reports its larger weather system affecting the region, with the similar conditions expected across Israel of the eastern Mediterranean. Forecasters have warning for a future storm with the heavy rain in the coming days, advising people to take precautions and stay informed of weather updates. The storm has also had an impact on the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in Israel, with some vaccination centers forced to close temporarily due to flooding. Despite the challenges faced by this storm, many Israelis have praised the much-needed rainfall in a country that has suffered to drought in recent years.